And boom, the Delta Executor menu is live. And look, it even gives us a little thank you message for using Delta. This thing is legit, guys, and it's working flawlessly. Alright, let's close that for a second. Look at all these results. We've got the massive library of scripts available through Delta Executor. Now, if we pop over to the settings, you can see all the different options we have here. And check out the console options. You can access both the Roblox console and the Delta console directly. Alright, back to our script list. You can see Forge Hub is still there, along with Overflow and Nicuse. Now, let's execute Forge Hub script. And there it is. The Forge Hub script is loading up. It says it might take a few seconds, which is totally normal for these kinds of powerful scripts. Alright, the script's loaded. And now, the full Forge Hub menu is open. Look at all these categories. This thing is packed with features. We've got farm setup, skill setup. You can automate so much of your grind, making it super efficient. Seriously, the auto farming options are next level. You can even set up auto chests and auto farm nearest, or even go fishing, just running around the island for a second, enjoying the view. Time to grab a quest and show you guys how some of these auto features can kick in. Alright, quest menu is up. Let's go for the Bandit's quest. It's a classic, easy way to show off some automation. Confirm that quest. Now, watch this. My character is just automatically engaging in combat, earning EXP, gaining money, and leveling up that mastery. Look at all those notifications flying in. Level up, mastery level up, more cash. It's doing all the work for me, which is exactly what we want. More EXP, more money, leveling up, earning more cash, mastering abilities. This is what makes Delta Executor so powerful. It handles all the repetitive tasks, letting you enjoy the game or do other things. Look at that money counter go up. It's like having a super-powered assistant in your game. Seriously, the amount of time this saves is incredible. It's truly game-changing for anyone who wants to optimize their play. But how do you actually get this Delta Executor? Let me show you the steps from the very beginning, starting right here from my phone's home screen. First things first, open up your browser. You need to go to imodblocks.com. Make sure you spell that correctly. It's super important. Once you hit enter, you'll land on the iModblocks site. This is where all the magic happens for premium Roblox tools and scripts. You'll see a few sections here, so we're going to click on the big blue button that says Get Executor right there. Now, this is a crucial step, entering your Roblox ID. So, let's open a new tab quickly and head over to rollemans.com. I'll type in my username here, imodblocks.com, and boom, there's the profile. Now, look at the URL bar. See that long number at the end? That's your unique Roblox ID. You just need to copy those digits. Alright, back to iModblocks. We'll paste that numeric ID right into the Roblox user ID field. Then hit Search User ID to link it up. Now we're on the Select Script page. First, make sure you check that box to install the latest version of Delta Executor. Next, you get to choose your script. Look at this massive list. Overflow, Soluna, Forge Hub, Nicuse, so many options. I'm going to go with Forge Hub, so I'll select that and hit Continue. Alright, it's processing the request now. And boom, API connected. Now, the final step before we unlock that key is to complete the I'm not a robot verification. Standard stuff to make sure you're a real person and not some bot trying to exploit the system. Just a quick click on that checkbox. It says Key Locked. This means there's usually one more quick verification step to fully unlock it. Don't worry, it's super fast. Here are the verification tasks. It says to complete 2 simple tasks, like installing an app or doing a quick survey. It usually takes less than 2 minutes. Once you've done that, you'll be all set and your key will be fully unlocked. It's really that simple. And just like that, you'll have Delta Executor installed and ready to go on your device. You'll see the Delta icon right there on your home screen. Then you can jump back into Blox Fruits or whatever game you're playing, and the Executor will be active, just like I showed you at the beginning. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments what scripts you're excited to try. Peace out.